There are 3 stages to inventing a product. The first is the idea and prototyping stage. You're out there doing something and you wish there was a better way. So you have an idea, and the first step is to go see exactly what's out there on the market already. Go to Google, especially Google Images, type out the idea that you have in your head as many different ways as possible and see if anyone's already made it. If they have, you're good to go, you can just move on with your life. If not, it's time to think about how to prototype your idea. Just use existing products. I sometimes 3D print things and then I tape it all together. The goal isn't to have something that looks nice, the goal is to have something that works and functions so you can test it out yourself and see if it's any good. I had this idea for a 2-handle leash with an adjustable ergonomic grip that's easy to instantly grab. And at first, I thought maybe a ball shape would be cool. It works really good, it was a really cool little product, but over time, gripping this ball kind of cramps up your hand. It's not very comfortable. Having a working prototype that you can actually use on a daily basis is so important because you can figure out exactly what's wrong with your idea. After realizing that a gym equipment handle is a lot more comfortable to hold than a ball, I started making prototypes like this and testing different versions of it over and over again. I then sent out prototypes to friends and got their feedback. And once I realized I was onto something really cool, I went to phase 2. This is where I started calling real manufacturers. I started checking prices to see what things are going to cost. I sent my early little prototypes to an awesome company called Cleverworks. They partner with hundreds of factories. If something you imagine actually obeys the laws of physics, they can get it made for you. So I sent the prototypes I had made to their engineer, and he came back with this. It had a little panel on the back, which was kind of cool, but we realized that's kind of the weakest point, and so we reworked the design until it was super strong. This thing holds over 440 pounds of continuous pull force. We found a design that functions flawlessly and does exactly what we wanted. And now we're ready for stage 3, which is trying to sell a few to see if people actually want them. I launched the Quick Control Leash on Kickstarter and it funded quickly. Not only did that cash help me fund the initial order, but it also let me know that I actually have a winning product. Once those funds came in, we placed our first order. Now I've been selling the Quick Control Leash to thousands of people all over the world. We have awesome reviews, and it's making a real difference for people as they train their dogs, especially if they have large, energetic dogs or if they have hand mobility limitations. You can find the Quick Control Leash at PacificNorthPets.com.